Hi everyone, it's a new video tutorial for today and I want to show you one of the most useful pigment from England, and I think that it's one of most sellable color of pigment which my students, for example, buy, and especially me. If I will have time, I will try to do my hair in some wet look. I already did this makeup for Instagram some time before, but I just want to duplicate it for YouTube. And I already prepared my face. I apply this Collagen foundation. One more time, you can find all products which I use in the info box. Just open it down under this video. My last few videos I have some kind of mood to create some more wearable and useful makeup, which I usually call like a client's makeup. This kind of makeup you just can repeat, maybe at home, maybe to show your makeup artist. Believe me, it will not take a lot of time, it will not take a lot of different products, it's pretty easy to do. And from feedbacks I see that people like more this sort of video tutorials, and it is just my mood for today. So as eyeshadow base I will use this Makeup Revolution Iconic Vitality eyeshadows. So I will use these lighter eyeshadows, this pinkish, brown, and maybe a little bit of this neutral medium color. So first of all, as eyeshadow base I will use this Inglot liquid eyeshadows in number 15. I just apply very small amount on my lid to give long variety to this makeup. Again, I do not need a lot of cream texture, shine or whatever. I just need a light base for my eyeshadows. Next step, the lightest color from this palette I apply under my brow all over to help all my next eyeshadows blend more easily. It's a really fast, very pretty makeup which you can do more intense if you want, or you can do it more light if you want, just in a combination of different colors which you use. Next combination is really important for our pigment. I will use these reddish and brownish colors together, and I create some kind of smoky eyes and pack it all over my lid. Why it is important, this reddish tone for our pigment? Because we have like a greenish reflect on it, and it looks more interesting and more duotone when you apply it not only on a brown base, and also it just gives you more contrast with this pinkish undertone. With a softer brush I just blend this color higher to hide my hooded eye. Our next step is black soft pencil, which I will apply on my waterline under my lower lashes. You always can choose like a brownish color. If you want to soften it down, you can use some colorful pencils. It's on you which intensity you want. And the next step, same black pencil, I just apply on my outer corner, and with a smaller brush I try to stretch it in kind of eyeliner, very soft one. Of course you can do it with your usual eyeliner if you want it more intensified. I do not want to make it very strong, I just want to create more softer line. And of course you have to blend this side also. Next step, with same mix of eyeshadow, I just touch edges. I don't want to add more intensity because again in camera it looks like 2-3 times lighter than in real life. In real life it's pretty enough intensity for me. So we finished with our eyeshadow. I take any sort of eyeshadow base on the center. I do not want to go too high. Blend it. Be sure that you blend all edges and your pigment will not stick like a line. We will use this very beautiful number 85 pigment from England. It's like a rosy greenish violet tone, and with the same brush I grab a big amount of this pigment and pack it over it. Do not want to go too high above my crease line. I do not need it. If you work right, it will not fall down too much. Everything will be okay. And the same small amount I just added in a corner. I will buy a lot of mascara because again I do not want to ruin my eyes with fake lashes. I want to make this part more wide and more open because probably on pictures it will not be visible, so I just intensify it. So this is our final look. If you want to create more wearable look, you can always make this lower part smaller and do not create such a longer eyeliner. If you will create it more light, it will be maybe more wearable. Also, if you look on makeup, you have to understand that it's only face here, and when you stand up and when you will have all this highness of your body, everything on eyes will look absolutely different and will look smaller, and that's why I really like this combination. This is just an idea for this eyeliner, and I looking on myself on camera and always want to make it like a little shorter, but again it's just on you what you want to see. Also, this pigment is one of my really favorite. It doesn't matter which skin color you are, lighter or darker, it will look phenomenal, absolutely. On my lips I use Lime Crime Cashmere matte lipstick. I don't like the quality of it, but I like the color of it, especially on photos. It's look very nice. And now I want to prepare my hair for some photos, and thank you for watching. Write your comments. I really interesting what you think about this makeup, and I really interesting what ideas you want me to show, because probably this one of the lastest video I will do in this space, and a lot of changes come in my life, so I really hardly try to do videos and do not do like a rest or time without videos for you, but we will see. Anyway, I'm doing my best. Thank you for watching. Ring the bell, subscribe, and